You woke up, but your body didn't. Stiff, foggy, carrying yesterday's weight into today. That ends now. Let's hit the mat. Start standing tall, feet just outside shoulder width. Hinge at your hips and reach down to grab your toes. Now drop into a deep squat. Chest open, spine tall. Then press back up into a forward fold. Repeat. This move wakes up everything. Glutes, hips, spine. It's like turning the ignition on your lower body. I promise this will unlock your hamstrings, activate your posterior chain, and prep your joints for movement. Beginners, bend your knees more in a forward fold. Advanced, keep heels down and deepen the squat. Did you know this one movement pattern is used in nearly every elite warm-up, from Olympians to NFL players? Let's go for one more. 5 seconds. Deep breath. That just woke up your foundation. Now let's get your hips moving. Stand tall, bring your right knee toward your chest, then open the knee outward in a hip circle. Step down with control and repeat. Alternating sides. This move mimics the same range you need to walk, climb, and run, but most of us never train it. I promise this will improve your hip stability, reduce neck strain, and improve walking posture through the day. Beginners use a wall or chair for balance. Advanced, add a slight pause at the top to test control. Do you feel wobbly? That's your stabilizers waking up, and they've been sleeping for too long. Own every rep. Don't check out. This side matters more than you think. We all have one tighter hip. Which side is yours? Try to keep your standing leg straight as you circle the knee out. Feel that? That's balance training baked into mobility. 5 more seconds. That just resets your hips. Now let's decompress your spine. Feet hip width apart, hinge at the hips and fold forward. Let your arms hang, soften your knees if needed. Head heavy, breath long. This stretch is simple, but don't underestimate it. I promise this will lengthen your hamstrings, calm your nervous system, and decompress your spine, especially after a night of stillness. Beginners, keep knees soft. Advanced, try hugging opposite elbows for a deeper release. We're going to open up those hamstrings even more next. Stay with it. Last 5 seconds. Sink deeper. That just lengthened your back. Let's target those hamstrings. Take a wide stance, toes slightly in, hinge at the hips, and reach your right hand to your left foot. Then switch. Left hand to right foot. Keep alternating slowly. Now we're tapping into rotation and length. This isn't just a stretch, it's a cross-body mobility boost. I promise this improves coordination, balance, and increases hamstring flexibility across your entire posterior chain. Beginners, keep knees slightly bent. Advanced, try pausing for 2 seconds at each touch. This move also lights up your core without a single crunch. Last 10 seconds. Stay in it. Alternate. Controlled. That just fired up your system. Now, let's finish with a balance test. Stand tall, grab your right foot behind you and pull it towards your glute. Knees close, core tight. This is where we stretch the front thigh, the part that gets tight from sitting, running, and even standing too long. I promise the stretch will improve hip extension, posture, and reduce tension in your knees. Beginners use a wall for balance. Advanced, reach a free arm overhead and hold steady. Can you hold it without wobbling for 5 more seconds? Switch legs, finish strong. Your balance may be different on this side. Good. That means your body's giving you real feedback. Push through your starting foot, pull tall through your spine. Five seconds. Stay grounded. That just resets your quads and seal the flow.